High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a common cardiovascular disease marked by increased force of blood against arterial walls. Because of this condition's startlingly high prevalence and role as a major risk factor for major health complications like heart disease, stroke, and kidney damage, it is extremely important. Medical researches have revealed certain foods that are highly recommended to reduce high blood pressure. Before that, please subscribe my channel first. 1. Banana. A medium-sized banana has approximately 450 milligrams of potassium. Potassium serves to balance the effects of sodium in the body, which is essential for maintaining normal blood pressure levels. Sodium increases blood pressure, but potassium relaxes blood vessel walls and excretes excess salt through urine. Beets. Beets and beetroot juice contain nitrates, which can help in dilatation of blood vessels and improve blood flow, potentially lowering blood pressure. Berries. Antioxidants, such as flavonoids, which are abundant in blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, have been associated with reduced blood pressure and enhanced vascular health. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% or more, contains flavonoids that may help dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow, leading to lower blood pressure levels. Garlic. Garlic contains compounds that may help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, leading to lower blood pressure levels. Oats. Oats and whole grains are high in fiber, which can help reduce blood pressure by promoting heart health and improving cholesterol levels. Most recommended blood pressure products detail is given in description box.